Welcome back to the Financial Beanstalk. My name is Nick, and today we're talking about how to buy PayPal on Bitcoin. How to buy Bitcoin on PayPal. So, what you're going to do is pull up the PayPal app on your phone, navigate to it wherever it is on your device, but mine's in my Beanstalk folder. We're going to open that up, and it has you log in for security reasons. And I'm going to blur this out for security reasons so you can't steal this massive investment I'm about to do. And apparently I don't even know my password, so good luck stealing it. There we go. We've got our main PayPal dashboard here. We've got our PayPal balance, and then right below that we've got our crypto section. And as you can see, currently I have $0.00 in crypto on PayPal because this is the first time I'm buying it on here.
Do it live!
We also have a crypto button on the bottom toolbar, but since the goal of this video is to buy Bitcoin, this buy button looks pretty enticing, so we tap that. And it looks like we can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Since this video isn't about those other coins, we're just going to tap on Bitcoin. And it pulls up the chart of how it's done over the last 24 hours automatically. Let's take a look at how it's done over the last year. And as you can see, it started the year down at $7,200-ish, and it currently sits at $18,411.12, which is kind of why I want to buy some, because it's going straight past the moon and all the way to Pluto. It gives you a couple options. You could buy $20, $50, $100, or $500. But again, we're just going to tap this buy button. And it says you can buy as little as $1, but I'm feeling a little risky, so I'm going to buy $5 whole dollars. Tap next. Pulls up how we're going to pay for our Bitcoin. I'm just going to use my PayPal balance. So we tap on that. And I'm buying 0.00027,139 of a Bitcoin right now for $5, $0 for the transaction fee. So I'm paying $5 whole dollars for this Bitcoin. Hit buy now, and we wait. Congratulations on your Bitcoin purchase. Hey, thanks PayPal. We'll go back to our dashboard here, refresh real quick. And as you can see, we have $5 of Bitcoin now in PayPal. Thanks for tuning in. Go ahead and YouTube mumbo jumbo that subscribe button, that like button, and that bell notification. I hope you learned something, and let's continue to grow this beanstalk. Okay, that's not really the end of the video, but I kind of wanted to make this as an SEO test since YouTube is the second biggest search engine behind Google, which is kind of like saying that apple slices are the best part of an apple. They're two parts of the same coin. But with major companies and banks getting into cryptocurrencies, PayPal included, it kind of legitimizes it for me because I've been super skeptical of them in the past. So I thought this would be a good way to intro it on my channel. Why I'm doing it on PayPal is because they don't have any fees on crypto until 2021. Like stocks, before all the brokerages went commission free, there is a small little fee that it costs to buy crypto. But I'm using money from a random online survey that I completed, so it's a pretty low-risk way to get started. And no, this isn't all the cryptocurrency that I have currently, but I can say that probably 80% or so of the cryptocurrencies I have, I've gotten for free. So we'll save that for another day. I am fully expecting the comment section to be flooded with bots, because that seems to happen on every video, even ones that aren't about cryptocurrency. I was tired, stupid, and broke until I met Mr. Anthony, and now I make profits daily. Thank you, Mr. Anthony. Wow, no way. I too met Mr. Anthony, and his trades are immaculate. I thought I was the only one who knew of his genius.
But how? How does one contact Mr. Anthony?
You can reach him at...
Insert WhatsApp number here.
OMG, Mr. Anthony saved my life, then saved my dog's life, and now he too makes profits daily, too, also. And again, I'm just getting started with crypto, so I know I still have a ton to learn, which is why this is not financial advice. But I've got a few videos that I'd like to talk about down the road, like why I think Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are a decent hedge and investment. But I wanted to make this week's video about how to buy it on PayPal since it is in the news right now, and it is a little time sensitive since you can buy Bitcoin on PayPal without any fees. So if you wanted to get started with a little bit less risk, give PayPal a chance. Now, one con that I have found, or I guess haven't found, with buying Bitcoin on PayPal, nailed it, is you can't transfer it to a cold storage wallet. Now, what that means is basically you can't take it off of PayPal or off the internet and put it on what looks like a little thumb drive. So basically, it's more at risk of getting hacked, and if it gets hacked, you're SOL and you'll never see that coin again. It's the same problem that Robinhood has, and you'll hear this phrase all the time, not your keys, not your coin. And basically what that means is if you can't take it off of that platform, does it really mean that you have it? It could be buried somewhere, I didn't look too in depth at it, but do with that information what you will. This actually is the end of the video this time, so let me know your thoughts on cryptocurrencies in the comment section below. People are usually on one end of the spectrum. They either absolutely hate them, or they think they're going to be worth billions. I'm kind of riding right down the middle though. I'm not going to YOLO all my money into random cryptocurrencies, but I am going to add a little bit here and a little bit there. Let me know... What else did I want them to let me know? YouTube mumbo jumbo, that subscribe button, that like button, and that bell notification so you don't miss any of my other cryptocurrency videos, or just any of my videos in general. I talk about dividend investing, and that's about it right now. Like diversifying your portfolio? I'm gonna start diversifying my videos more. Thanks for watching, and let's continue to grow this beanstalk. Look at that, I've already made 2 pennies on my $5 a Bitcoin.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.